हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ। बेंगलोर की वेदर करे तो इट इज़ रेनिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग, बट क्योंकि जो ओनर है उन्होंने मुझे बात दिया था दैट आई विल बी गेटिंग अ चांस टू रिव्यू हिज कार। सो इस कार की बात करें तो दिस हैज़ बीन कम्प्लीटली मॉडिफाइड फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम। इसका सिर्फ चैसी ही जो है वो स्टॉक है और कम्प्लीटली ये कार को मॉडिफाई किया गया है। तो इस कार के सबसे पहले हम डिटेल्स जानने से पहले और ओनर से मिलाने से पहले मैं आपको इस कार के कुछ सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स दिखाना चाहूँगा दोस्तों। सो गाइज, आई होप इस कार का सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा। तो इस कार के ओनर हमारे साथ है। सर, वेलकम टू माय चैनल।
थैंक यू सो मच।
आपका नाम बताइए।
कृष्णा सर।
सो कृष्णा सर, दिस बीस्ट आपके दिमाग में आया कैसे? लाइक व्हाई जीप है? लाइक
Actually, I do a little bit of off-roading, and then we have a group which is known as AT,
ओके
and then we have done the Himalayas,
Okay.
and then we have done we do a little bit in Coorg, Chikmagalur, Sakleshpur.
तो बेसिकली यू आर इनटू ऑफ रोडिंग।
Yes,
Okay.
I'm basically into off-roading.
तो इस कार का हिस्ट्री हमें थोड़ा बताइए। क्या ये रिसेंटली पेंट किया गया है?
हाँ, ये हमारे मिस्टर केशव करके है।
ओके
So, the garage owner
ओके
who's done most of the and this actually was only chassis was there.
ओनली
The whole thing was built.
सो मतलब आपने खुद से बिल्ड किया?
हाँ।
ये आइडिया वाज योर्स? व्हाट एग्जैक्टली?
The total vehicle is designed by me.
ओके
And it is totally an off-roading vehicle.
ओके मतलब टायर देखे तो पता ही चल रहा होगा आपको।
हाँ।
जस्ट लुक एट द थ्रेड।
So these are CST tires.
सो ये कौन सा, मतलब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा, पूछूं क्या ये कौन सा मॉडल, मतलब क्या क्या है
ये
इसमें, क्या क्या
actually
है?
a 540G.
ओके
So converted into a total off-roading.
ओके
So it's a very basic vehicle, but totally off-roading. तो आप देख सकते हो कि हमारे यहाँ snorkel है, the lights.
I'm
for
sure
the
this is
fogging.
working one, right?
Yes,
Not-
it's all attached to the.
Okay.
That's the lights for the fogs and
Okay.
the winch. So everything is made for off-roading. Total off-road.
टोटली ऑफ रोडिंग।
Yeah.
मतलब आपको स्ट्रीट यूज़ के लिए ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आता होगा इसमें?
नहीं, हम करते भी नहीं
ओके ओके
आई डोंट रिमूव इट
ओके
इट्स मेंट ओनली फॉर
तो आपने बताया इस ग्रुप के बारे में कुछ बताइए इस ग्रुप के बारे में आप एग्जैक्टली क्या व्हाट इज योर मिशन एंड विजन
So, actually, our group is known as an A team.
ओके
So there were one or two people who actually started it.
Okay.
And then slowly we took it up from there. And then, so whenever we get an opportunity, we do.
So
events.
everyone in the group is into off-roading.
Yes. Okay. हमारे यहाँ तो everyone. They all gypsies, Thars,
Okay.
Isuzu. So we do.
Basically SUV is kind of a
Yeah,
vehicle.
sort of.
No sedans, no
No.
hatchbacks. वो तो ऐसे भी जा नहीं पाएंगे कहीं से.
So all the accessories what you see on the vehicle, the winch and the light and the snorkel and the mirror and all, this is all from Blue Garage, Mysore.
Mysore. Okay.
Okay,
तो
they are
आपने
the suppliers.
ओके तो बेसिकली आपने हर चीज़ को अलग अलग जगह से असेंबल करके
हाँ,
इसे
हाँ,
बनाया है.
yes. और ये जो आपको फ्रंट बम्पर और रियर बम्पर जो दिखता है, the good friends of mine, Pratt, yeah, they're very good.
They're very
Yeah, yeah. So this was specially designed only for me. He doesn't make
Only
this
for you?
Yeah, he doesn't make this for anybody. It's only designed for me. So it has a Peugeot engine. It's a 2,500 cc.
ओके
Four wheel.
फोर व्हील है.
Four into four.
इसमें डायनो रन आपने किया है?
Not yet. अभी trying.
अभी करेंगे. So what is the mileage that you get in this engine?
See, it's a very low mileage because the moment you put it into
4 into 4.
so it becomes.
इसमें
But the whole idea of the vehicle is only for off-road.
इसमें टू में चलाने का मतलब ही नहीं.
मतलब नहीं, बस.
चलाओ तो 4 में चलाओ नहीं तो मत चलाओ.
Very much. And actually, to tell you more, I have two good friends of mine.
Oh, is it?
So and they are off-roaders.
Sir, please
Satish
come.
and Ritesh.
So guys, let's welcome them.
So,
प्लीज आ जाइए, जगह थोड़े कम है.
this
तो
is,
आप
Satish.
आपके बारे में बताइए.
This is Satish, a good friend of mine,
Right.
and Ritesh is a good friend of mine.
Right,
They are
right.
actually a lot into off-roading.
Okay. So what exactly do you
He's from
guys?
Chikmagalur,
Okay.
and he's our neighbor.
Okay. Okay. So what exactly do you guys do?
Yeah, we are passionate about off-roading. Okay. We do quite a few events
Okay.
around South India, especially mostly in Karnataka as well. It's just a passion, it's a niche group that we have, and we enjoy what we do.
So I'm sure every one of you has a SUV only, right?
Yeah.
So we guys would like to call it a Thar rather than a car. That's one of the things we
Okay.
guys would like to
Okay.
brand ourselves. You can say that if,
Okay.
if you guys are okay.
So आपका next event कब है? आप इधर यहाँ आ जाओ. When is your next event? Like
Well,
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? What is the plan?
frankly speaking, there is another event coming up in Chikmagalur on the 1st of November.
Okay.
But due to COVID, we are taking it a little easy, taking precautions. So I don't think we will be participating in that event.
Okay.
Otherwise, we usually take part in whatever event that is possible.
So will you invite me in any of the events जो बैंगलोर में हो? I'll be glad to cover you guys.
There
Actually.
is a cover charge.
जो मुझे लेना है.
Absolutely. Absolutely. No, we are pleasure to have you over. As long as you make some good videos of us.
Of course, yes. I'll always give
Absolute
my
pleasure.
best. And my viewers also know कि मैं जिसमें whatever videos I make, I give my 110%, not 100%.
No, I totally trust you. I take your word for it.
So guys, अभी चलिए हमने काफ़ी सारे बातें कर लिए. अभी शिंदे सर हमें इस कार की कंप्लीट डिटेल्स देंगे. शिंदे सर से पूछ ले शिंदे सर ने क्या क्या करवाया है. सर बताइए हमारे व्यूअर्स को स्टार्टिंग से.
Start off with, this is a laser cut bumper,
Okay.
and this is a 13,500 lbs. Okay.
Okay.
Winch, LED lights.
Okay.
And these are the fogs and the thing, and we put the fogs also.
अच्छा यहाँ पे भी
These are
फॉक्स
the-
है.
हाँ जी. These are the vents for the engine.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, and these are the locks that we have thing.
Okay.
These are the branch cutters.
Okay.
Branch cutters.
Okay.
And these are the this is the snorkel.
Okay. I'm sure this is working, right?
हाँ जी,
100%.
yeah,
हाँ.
this is snorkel.
हाँ.
And then we have the LEDs on the thing also.
Okay.
So all these lights what you see,
Okay.
for some reason or the other, at one given time, they are used.
Okay.
Not necessary that everything has to be used
Correct.
at one
Correct.
time. And then these are the Wrangler mirrors.
Okay. Wrangler mirrors.
Yeah,
Okay.
these are Wrangler original mirrors.
Okay. What about the tires? You have
Yeah,
made
these
the
are the mud terrain CST
Okay.
tires.
Okay. Nice.
They're pretty heavy, but they can be used only for off-roading, not for regular on tar roads. And this is a rock slider.
Okay.
Okay. And this anti-roll bar.
Nice.
This is the anti-roll bars and sand ladders.
Okay.
Okay. And we have mounted the tire on top to balance the vehicle.
Okay.
Basically.
Okay.
And these are the jerrys.
Okay.
And there's one jerry can too. That's for the water.
मतलब आप अच्छा this is for water.
That's for the water.
Okay.
And there's one more which comes.
Okay.
So this is the spade.
नाइस मतलब ऑफ रोडिंग के लिए पूरा सेटअप आपने रखा
हाँ
है,
जी।
कहीं अटकना नहीं चाहिए
Yeah,
मतलब.
बस, we have taken care of everything.
ओके
And
ओके
this is the tow bar.
ओके
Okay.
नाइस.
And these are the Wrangler sets.
Oh, even this is Wranglers. Okay, 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 nice. So
This
what
is what it is.
what is the
And we have we put Dr. Nano shocks.
okay Dr. Nano
Yeah,
shocks.
sure.
Okay, nice. तो इसका हाइट भी आपने थोड़ा इंक्रीज किया होगा ना?
We have increased it by 3 inches.
3 inches. Okay.
So this
Let's
is
go to the interiors
yeah,
now.
this is totally done up interiors.
Okay.
This is basically what they do for RFCs.
Okay.
So we have copied them.
Okay. Okay.
And this is what we have done. So,
Nice.
these
This
are
is
the
Sparco
Sparco
seats, na?
Sparco seats.
Sparco seats. Nice. ये color combination is also looking very nice.
And this was bought. This was bought by Satish.
अच्छा आपने खरीदा है क्या?
And he helped me get
Okay.
these
Okay.
seats.
Okay.
And these are the anti-roll bars what we have.
Okay. 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 I did not see this. Okay. Nice. Nice. So लगभग कितना खर्च किया आपने इस कार पे अभी तक?
So we have crossed almost 10.
10 lakhs. But worth तो होना ही है. There is no doubt. और शौक की कोई कीमत नहीं होती, हम सब जानते हैं. शौक में आप 50 लाख भी लगा दो, इट इज स्टिल लेस. गाइज एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा, इट इज रेनिंग सुपर हेविली आप देख सकते हैं, लेकिन हमने शूट अभी रोका नहीं है. सो गाइज वी आर कटिंग शॉर्ट दिस वीडियो एंड शिंदे सर को थैंक यू बोलते, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू. एंड आई होप थैंक यू सो मच. एंड प्लीज इनवाइट मी, अगर आपका कोई इवेंट्स होगा तो प्लीज डू इनवाइट मी. Okay. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye. It's raining very hard. See you guys. Bye.